It's 2021, new year, new you, new marketing initiatives to grow your business, and maybe this is the year that you are thinking about taking the plunge and starting a YouTube channel. I mean, how hard could it be? You just upload a couple videos on YouTube and instantly get access to tons of viewers. Yeah, not exactly. Take it from someone who has been on YouTube for a couple years now. I hit 1,800 subscribers and over the last year had over 51,000 views. The platform requires work. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 most important questions that you need to ask yourself before you decide to commit to starting a YouTube channel in 2021. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, I release a new marketing video every Monday. So if you're a small business owner and could use some marketing tips, tools, or tactics throughout 2021, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or follow me on any one of my other social media accounts. If you own a business, uploading videos to YouTube may be a really great option for you to grow your reach and in turn grow your sales. But the truth is, just like any other social media platform these days, it is a very crowded space. According to 𝐩𝐥𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐬𝐻, in 2020, there were more than 37 million YouTube channels, and every minute there was more than 500 hours of video being uploaded onto the platform. So as you can imagine, with over 37 million other YouTube channels, starting a YouTube channel means that you're going to be competing for viewers' time. Now, before you call me a Debbie Downer, because I know it's coming off a little negative right now, I promise you this video is not meant to deter you from starting your own YouTube channel, because in fact there are so many people that are logged into YouTube on a daily basis searching for information that you very well could capture a piece of that pie very successfully. And so instead, I want you to be prepared and to ask yourself 5 really important questions before you decide to invest the time and effort into starting your own channel. Question number 1, what is your purpose for starting a YouTube channel? If you are a small business owner, your time is extremely valuable, and so you need to know how you are going to be using YouTube to drive more people to your products or services. Let's say you own a home decor boutique. Do you want to start a YouTube channel that shares tips on how to decorate people's homes so that way you can actually spotlight some of the inventory that you are getting in and it drives additional interest into some of the products that you are selling? Or are you a financial advisor that really wants to grow your email list, and so therefore sharing weekly financial tips on YouTube will allow you to in turn drive more people to sign up for your email list so that over the long term you could start to share with them some of the financial offerings that you have. Having and knowing your purpose will help you decrease the amount of time that you spend uploading random videos that have nothing to do with your business, and it will help you stay really focused on what truly matters, which is growing your business. Question number 2, who is your target audience and what is your niche? If you are running a successful business, you can undoubtedly agree that a big part of that success is putting your products and services in front of the right people. And so you wouldn't go out there and try to sell custom furniture to someone who's a bargain shopper or somebody who potentially makes less than $30,000 a year. That just wouldn't be a good fit. Every product or service has an ideal target audience for whom that product or service is geared towards. Very similarly, YouTube channels are most successful when they know exactly who they are making YouTube channels for. And I can tell you that having a clear idea of who your target audience is will help you in the long run when you start to get antsy and want to create videos that are off topic. I can't tell you how many times I ask myself before creating or deciding what topic to include in my YouTube videos, is this topic going to resonate with small business owners? Is this something that they will find useful? A lot of times I have to revert back to that to remind myself, no, Vivian, that's not a good topic for the people that you are trying to reach. Inevitably, you will need to help yourself stay focused on the purpose of your YouTube channel. Identifying your target audience and your niche will help to rein you in and help you stay focused whenever you need it the most. Question number 3, will you be able to commit enough time to YouTube for it to pay off? If you are promoting your business on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Clubhouse, then you know it requires an investment of time, and YouTube is no different. Before you start a YouTube channel, you need to ask yourself very honestly where this YouTube channel falls as a priority in your business and also in your sales pipeline, and if you're willing to invest time in order to make a YouTube channel successful. Now, there is no minimum requirement for how often you need to be uploading videos to YouTube, but YouTube channels that gain the most traction often do so because they are creating consistency in their YouTube channels. And sure, the YouTube algorithm likes that, but most importantly, you are creating consistency amongst your target audience and your YouTube viewers. And so if you decide to upload a YouTube video, let's say once every 3 weeks, and you really don't have a schedule, you're just kind of uploading it any time of day, then it's going to be a lot harder for people to tune in, as opposed to if you're uploading a YouTube video every Friday. And then people are going to start to say, I can expect that this YouTube channel is providing me new content every Friday, and I know around what time they're posting the videos. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to upload videos every single week. However, if you watch YouTube, then you start to see this pattern where the successful YouTube channels are creating an expectation with their audience. So they're letting them know, tune in every Monday, new video every Wednesday. There is an expectation that they give their audience so that their audience knows exactly when new content will be uploaded. This is the start of creating a good relationship with your YouTube audience. And so the sooner that you can start to do this and create consistency, the better and more traction you'll start to get with your YouTube channel. Question number 4, how quickly am I looking for a return on investment? When I say return on investment in this case, I'm not talking about monetary. I'm actually talking about investment of time. So if, for example, you are looking for an immediate return on investment and you say, I want to be able to upload 3 YouTube videos and then see 100% increase in this digital product, I hate to tell you that you probably want to look for an entirely different avenue. YouTube is not an immediate payoff, which is why question number 1 is so important. YouTube has to play a purpose in your business if you're wanting to get a true return on investment for your time and also for any, monetary amount that you're spending on equipment or stuff like that. If your only purpose for starting a YouTube channel is to make money off of it in the first week, in the first month, in the first year of starting that channel, you may be in for a rude awakening. YouTube is a long-term investment. Question number 5, are you willing to learn a new platform and do you have the time? Some of the other social media platforms that you may be using like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are all very similar in the way that you grow your following on those platforms. YouTube, if you ask me, is kind of an island all on its own. So if you are adding YouTube to your marketing initiatives, you are going to want to make sure that you are willing to commit time to learning how YouTube works. Inevitably, you will find yourself YouTubing things like how to find the best tags for your videos, how to grow your YouTube following, how to create thumbnails that get more attention. YouTube has a learning curve, and so therefore you have to be willing to become a student of the platform. Additionally, just like every other platform out there, YouTube is consistently making changes that will improve the viewer experience for their YouTube audience. And so as a YouTube content creator or a YouTube channel creator, you're going to have to commit some time to staying up to date on some of these changes as they roll them out throughout the year. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I do not want to deter you from starting a YouTube channel or stifle your excitement for adding YouTube to your marketing initiatives for 2021. YouTube is a great way to grow your reach and to grow your business. But I do think that asking yourself these 5 important questions before you even start a YouTube channel will help you save a ton of time and also keep you really focused on what the purpose of this YouTube channel is. And trust me, take it from someone who's been doing it a while. I wish I had asked myself these questions before I started, because I think at the beginning it would have really helped me to stay focused and to really gain a lot more traction than what I did. So I don't want you to make those same mistakes. If you are running a small business, your time is valuable. And the last thing that you want to do is add something to your plate like growing or starting a YouTube channel just for the sake of trying something new. Be purposeful with your marketing initiatives and how you are using them to grow and sell more products and services. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a new video with information just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget that I have a website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where I have a couple of freebies that are waiting for you that you can download today, so go check that out. Thanks again for tuning in to another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.